morning, everyone. I'm Kevin with Hardscape.com. We just had our certification class, and here I have Cyprian and Estoyo. They just finished the class. They just got certified. They already actually, did work with us. They already did porcelain work, but they wanted to come. This is their second class, actually. And why did you guys came back? What do you guys liked about the class? What doubts you guys had?
We like coming back because we get good support from the company. We get a lot of information, and the first time we thought we maybe missed some things, and after we installed a couple of jobs we had some more questions. We wanted to be 100% sure that we do everything right and well, so we wanted to come back sure to do it again.
Right, and there is always different installers, different companies that attend the course. They bring up and they raise different questions that maybe we don't think about or we didn't come across just yet. And then Giovanni has all the answers that make us more comfortable in doing any projects that customers ask us for. And then we can share this with our customers comfortably about the product and about the labor. If they have a question, we'll be able to answer it right.
All right. So, and how can people reach you? What's the company name? What's the phone number? Just so we can.
So you can reach us at craftpavers.com. So we have a website. It's craft-pavers.com. And the phone number you can reach us at is 561-530-8021.
And I'm Kevin with Hardscape, and you can reach me at 561-677-1498.